What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer. Welcome to the behind the scenes and making of my song, I keep calling it the chair song, but it's actually called Someone I Never Had. First of all, if you didn't know, I have a new song out. It's called Someone I Never Had. Go watch the music video, stream the song, let me know what you think. Now, some of you guys know the backstory to the song already, and I just think it's so hilariously dumb and funny. Here's a little story time. Last year in 2020, back in February, March, I was thrifting for some new furniture for my apartment. I found this beautiful rattan chair. Mind you, I am a giant rattan wicker basket fanatic. I saw this chair and I was in love. Unfortunately, girly is maybe the most indecisive person that I know. Basically, I left it there and I was like, if I really want it, I'll come back for it. Guess what happened? I went back home, thought about it for the next 24 hours, and I was like, okay, I need this chair. I go back to the thrift store the next day and it is gone. Needless to say, I was absolutely heartbroken. Let me show you something. If you take a look at this, it says chair song. This is March 4th, 2020. You can definitely tell that I've never been in a human relationship. Somebody get me someone to date so I can stop writing about inanimate objects. Anyway, I just think it's such a funny backstory that so many people don't believe me that it's about a chair. Probably because it sounds really sad and like I'm legitimately heartbroken, but that's because I legitimately was heartbroken. Believe that. So after I wrote the song, I recorded vocals, and I recorded these in that same LA apartment in my closet because Girly is an independent artist with a very limited budget. I actually had to record this over a couple of days because some of you guys know that I have TMJ, which means my jaw is like royally screwed up. I get a lot of pain and like tension, and like basically my jaw doesn't like open properly. It started to hurt after like 15 minutes, so I could only record for like 15 minutes a day, so.
Be let down each road to find. I just wish I'd seen. No, I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. I can't go cry on your shoulder.
It's a couple days later, joined Pfizer Nation, it's hitting me hard. I'm 2 Tylenols in, feeling kind of weak, honestly, kind of achy breaky, chills, sweating, ready to sing overall. My laptop does sound like it's about to explode. I'm using this to try to cover it so it doesn't pick up the sound in the mic, but I'm pretty sure it will. This is the best I can do. I've tried recording this intro bit probably like 100 times at this point, and I hated it every single take. Let's see if I can do anything better this time. Also, the setup is just like so professional.
And I don't wanna be let down each road to find.
I literally like, who do I need to fight?
Get my hopes up every time.
I literally will beat someone up, like, try me, you think I won't?
What's it with all that waiting when I always knew just how I felt?
She said felt.
I get my hopes up every time.
I said I get my hose up every time. I can't. We'll see you later.
I get my hopes up, get my hopes up, get my hopes up every time.
Okay. Let's see how that is. So after that, I got the song all produced and ready to go, and then I started with the music video process. In order to do that, I needed some outfits. In my last video, you guys would have seen that I made my costume for the video. It's such a journey. Please go watch that video because in order to make that dress, I could only sleep 1 hour before the shoot. The shoot was 12 hours long and it started at 8 a.m. I went to bed at 6:30 and had to leave the house at 7:30. I got a lot of questions on my last video asking why I didn't just start the dress earlier so I could sleep more than 1 hour. But believe it or not, this was actually the earliest that I could have started the dress. It was a very quick turnaround for the music video and I tried the best that I could. So I'm about to show you the behind the scenes of the music video. Keep in mind that I was running on 1 hour of sleep. It was a rough one, but it was also really fun. Mind you, I did end up taking like 5 different naps throughout the shoot because here's a little fun fact about working on a set. A lot of the time is just spent with the crew, like moving the camera and setting up the set and lighting. And so for the actor, there's actually a lot of time that you're spent just like sitting around. And I just spent that honestly inevitably falling asleep because there was a bed on set, there were comfy sofas. I just sat there and I could not, like, I just passed out. So as the day went on, I actually got more and more energetic because I got more and more hours of sleep pumped in me. Good morning, everyone. Oh.
What's up, vlog?
We're on set. I'm on that good 1 hour of sleep, guys. It is currently 10:35 a.m. I usually would still be in bed. It's gonna be a fun day. Hopefully I stay awake for the whole thing. Here's what I'm looking at. The first scene is like in the bedroom. They made this really cool, like colorful primary colors bedroom. I'm wearing a full monochrome red outfit. Did my makeup kind of grungy? Not really. I just like put on more eyeliner than I usually would. Did my makeup in the car. You know, it's just that hustle grind life. You know what I mean? I'm literally so spaced out right now. Look at this bracelet that I made. Gem Z because ran out of ends, but I think it still looks pretty cute. I need to wake myself up. Guys, welcome to set. Oh. This feels like a crime.
I get my hopes up every time, and I don't wanna be that down each road to find. I just wish I'd seen the price tag for my heart breaking. Was it worth all that waiting when I always knew just how I felt? Yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, see where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. When my eyes get so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash. Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. You were different from the rest, 'cause you didn't hide imperfections from the edge. Yeah. Bet you don't even love you half as much as I want to. You're right, yeah. I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block.
What do you want for pizza, Jen?
I'm a fan of Hawaiian personally.
What? Pineapple on pizza? You gotta be kidding me!
That's gross. This is the most important part of the whole day.
Oh, we're doing a set change right now. They should make Jen do it.
Jen, what's going on?
Currently, they are setting up the green screen. Had a little workplace hazard. The green screen tipped over. So we'll see what happens, but it's been a good shoot so far. I took a nap, which was a good 5-minute power nap. Had some pizza. Woo!
Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. When my eyes get so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash. Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had.
That's smooth looking.
I can't pretend I don't need ya. I can't pretend I don't love ya. I can't pretend I don't miss your touch. I want
Time to wake up and be a star.
Cry on your shoulder. Feel safe with you when I'm older. Just know I tried to come back for you. I came back for you. Maybe it's
I'm winded. I just woke up 5 minutes ago.
We're like, go faster!
They have me doing cardio out here. But I'm really excited. I think it's gonna look really good. What do you think? Hi guys. I've just been taking nap after nap. I was so tired. I was like standing in the scene and I was about to faint. We're setting up now for the green screen stuff. It looks really cool. I'm glad I got some rest in because I feel a little bit more rejuvenated.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah, let me hold the camera. Oh my god. Some real fancy lighting out here.
Oh, hell yeah. Give us a little vlog. Give us a little vlog action.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the music video shoot. Everybody, wait, what's this song called? Chair song on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chair song. we got one person who understood the assignment. Anyway, we got some fancy lights out here.
Chair song. This is the best BTS we've gotten all day, and I'm not even doing it.
Everyone's so multi-talented. Look at this. Pixar lighting. That is all. Bye.
You should also do a secondary performance, not handheld, like from that same one.
yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, see where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's
Oh yeah. This guy plays guitar. He's stroking both at the same time.
You never seen this before.
Oh. Oh, she's stuck in her animation. There's a glitch in the system.
I'm learning to walk in animation style. Here's the sneak peek.
Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice.
Thank you. Gotta also do that animation style.
from the edge, yeah. Bet you don't even love you half as much as I want to. You're right, yeah. I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, say where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead.
Guys, I'm sweating, but I'm in my took too long to make dress, but I think it looks really cute. We're doing some like green screen stuff. Honestly, this is like my favorite part so far. I think this is so fun. Green screen acting is kind of lit.
Give us a little rundown. What's gone on in human history in the last 2,000 years?
Dinosaurs.
This is sick, BTS guy. Yeah. Oh, what's up, girl?
Oh my god, it's so sweaty. We're wrapped!
Let's hear.
I think everyone killed it. Huge shout out to everyone who worked on this video. Stream, what's it called? Stream Someone I Never Had. Overall, I had a lot of fun on the shoot day. I am really, really proud of how the video turned out. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. This was such a satisfying process. It had a lot of like DIY elements to it, from the origin of the song to the recording to the costumes to the set and the music video and all that kind of stuff. I really have put my heart and soul and tears into this project, so I really, really hope you guys love the music video and stream the song, share it with your friends, jam out to it, make TikToks to it. I don't know. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting me and my passion for music, and more to come. See you next time. Bye.